Let's start with the dollar store chains, and both of them are providing kind of a different takeaway on the state of the retail sector that, of course, is facing some economic challenges, we'll say. At Dollar Tree, the company mostly meeting Wall Street expectations. They left the sales growth outlook for the year unchanged. Dollar General lifting its view on revenue for this year after a quarterly sales beat. Shares of Dollar Tree, they were falling in pre-market trading. A Dollar General's gain, they hit a high. They were up almost 11%. Now, the earnings of these chains offer an important view into shopping habits. They often benefit when consumers are cutting back and seeking out lower prices. But you know what? Dollar General and Dollar Tree have both had pretty good success expanding beyond lower income shoppers. Some of the stores have actually gotten a little fancy. Of course, the one by me, I mean, guys, invest in a broom, would you? Meta platforms. I was doing the affiliate reports yesterday. Yeah. Everybody had the same question. Yeah. Why is the stock up if they're going to pay $16.7 billion, or close to $18 billion? Meta ended Wednesday's session up over 1%. Investors are kind of relieved the company's only going to pay as much as $18 billion. If they had lost at trial in this landmark case, they would have faced over $1 trillion with a T dollars in penalties. And now, of course, we're learning that the changes to Instagram and Facebook will apply only to U.S. users for now.
But did you see who's really going to make out here? We were talking about it yesterday, John. The lawyers that Meta says that
they
in the
set
third
aside
quarter,
$10 billion in the third quarter for legal
fees.
expense charges. And you know what? Every kid I know has or is working on a workaround.
Yes.
The minute these things came out, these guardrails came out, they went, how can I get out of it?
Yeah, I'm sure all the little chat groups, they're all figuring out ways.
All the little chat groups.
Yeah.
Oh, geez.
But the U.S. settlement does represent something of a bellwether for the rest of the world, because the U.K., they've announced plans to ban kids under the age of 16 from using these apps.
Australia, too, has very tough restrictions.
Already in place, and it's been in place for a little while, but the results of that are kind of mixed, so we'll see. Yeah, and finally, I got to do Wendy's. They're getting a frosty. They have been on the turnaround path. Now, this morning, we're hearing that Trian Fund Management and Nelson Peltz, they have no plans to make a bid at this time to take Wendy's private. This according to Reuters. You remember earlier in August, those shares got a pop on a report that Trian was preparing an offer with other investors. The burger chain did withdraw its 2026 outlook earlier this month. They cut its dividend. The new CEO there, Bob Wright, is drawing up turnaround plans for the company. Wendy's has reported 6 straight quarters of declining comparable sales, and analysts polled by Bloomberg expect the trend to continue. In the recent earnings call, Wright said the company's quality had slipped. Its value offerings weren't resonating, and service has become inconsistent.
And you know what? Burger King is capitalizing on that, because we were just talking about recently how now they're the number 2 burger chain. So they're making a comeback.
And just because, as a public service, I did look this up on Google AI, you can make a copycat Wendy's Frosty at home using just 3 simple ingredients: chocolate milk, sweetened condensed milk, and whipped topping. So,
can we spell sugar?
Yes.